This song was written by Brendan Graham, and it tells the story of Annie Moore, a 15-year-old Irish girl who was forced into emigration at the end of the 19th century. I'm playing it in the key of G, and as you've seen, the chords we're using are G major, C major, D major. Also some minor chords, E minor, B minor and A minor. And there's two seventh chords I included. One is A minor 7, which just means playing the A minor chord, removing a third finger, and D7. Now it's in 4/4 time, and I'm using a finger picking pattern, a very simple pattern. And what I'm doing is I'm picking the root note with my thumb, the root note of the chord. In the case of G major, the root note is the 3rd fret of the 6th string, so it's thumb. Then I pick the 3rd string with my 1st finger, 1st string with my 3rd finger, back to the 3rd string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now the only thing that will change in this picking pattern is which string my thumb will pick, because that's going to pick the root note. For E minor, the root note is also on the 6th string, it's the 6th string open, and the pattern is the same. We don't actually have to fret that chord because we're not picking the 4th or 5th string. For the C chord, this time we've got to move our thumb to the 5th string because that's where the root note is. Otherwise it's the same pattern for the other two fingers. A minor, similarly, we pick the 5th string with the thumb, and also A minor 7. For the D chords, D major, we pick the 4th string, that's with the thumb, that's the root note. Also for D7, there's actually no change there because we're not picking the 2nd string. Now if you were to strum it, you will hear the difference. And the other chord is the B minor chord, and the root note for the B minor chord is on the 5th string because that note is B. And remember, the count is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on.